Public Library's new Lit Kits are here. Each kit is created around 5 key pre-literacy practices for young children: reading, writing, singing, talking, and playing.
Our Lit Kits have been designed to create opportunities for parents and caregivers to implement each of these 5 practices. In each Lit Kit, you'll find hand-picked quality books along with top-of-the-line educational toys. There's also an accompanying guide with literacy tips, a list of more books to read, and suggestions for more activities to continue your child's learning.
Spend time reading with your child, then use the included toys to extend and connect your child's learning. Then you can even sing a song or do one of the suggested activities from the Lit Kit guide.
Stop by your neighborhood library branch and check out one of our new Lit Kits so you can start building your child's early literacy skills today.